Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is also capable of detecting any hard faults that users may have. To set it up, go in Settings, then go in Safety and Emergency, and then scroll up and you will find Hard Fault Detection. Go in here, turn it on, and then once again you can turn on the countdown timer. This is for if it turns on by accident, you have time to turn it off. It will call emergency number 911, and if you scroll up, there is an option when to detect falls. So this is important always. So anytime your watch detects a fall, it will call 911. During physical activity, your watch will detect if you fall while doing anything active, even if it's not registered as exercise by your watch, or only during workouts. Your watch will only detect falls that happen while you are exercising, and you have to decide according to your circumstances which one of these you want to turn on, because the watch will actually dial 911. So you have to be careful here.